I'm Lacey. Anyway, that's what my friends call me. You might recognize me from some of my other videos. We've done baking, animal jam, LOL, and today I'm gonna start a craft, making slime. Alright, I'll show you the materials you'll need. All you're gonna need is a bottle of glue, any type of glue, and then your activator. Mine is metallic, and glow in the dark is also fun. And then you can add beads or anything you want into your slime. And today, I think I'm just gonna add some beads to make it more, I don't know, kind of that crunchy feel. Anyway, if you guys love slime, I found pack, and so you can just use any type of glue. So I'm just gonna I put in a little bit at a time. Okay, you can just squeeze your activator a little bit. You want to pour in just a little at a time and see how that does. And first it's gonna look like normal glue. Okay, let's add some more activator in. Just pour. Oh, sometimes it's okay if you get a little too much because you can always just stir it in and make it better at the end. See, starting to would it take more now? Yeah, I'm starting. Let's get that. Now I'm going to pour in a little bit of the beads to mix in. If you don't do it now, it's never going to really add in. Just going to mix in with my slime and add some more beads in. Not too many. Okay. Since we stirred that pretty good, I think it's time to add some more activator. This time I'm gonna add quite a bit because I think it needs that. See, it's starting to feel and look more like slime. Let's see, it's still glue and it still sticks, so we need some more activator. You're gonna need to put a lot in to make some slime. See, now, actually starting to look more like slime. Okay. Our slime done. You just have to add in a little bit more at the end. It might take a while, but I still have some left in here. Ooh. At first it looks like it's clumpy and it's not, but that's when you gather it all up. Take it in my hands, and first it might feel sticky and like yuck, yuck, yuck. But you kind of have to work with it. But I love, at first, how it stretches. That's so satisfying. Okay, add a little of that. And you need to put more activator in to get it not so sticky, and if it's sticking all over the place. So just drop a little bit of activator on, work it in, and it'll finally be the perfect stretchy slime. Thank you for watching KAJ Kids, and if you subscribe, you'll see more baking videos, more slime videos, and more LOL videos. Thanks for watching. Bye!